All right, drink we're about to make is called a Rum Highball. Let's go ahead and put some ice in our glass here. And we'll measure out 2 ounces of light rum. And we'll follow that up with carbonated water. Just fill it up the rest of the way with carbonated water, club soda, and that's our highball characteristic right there. We're just going to go ahead and mix it up. Just a pretty simple drink here. Just the rum and the carbonated water. We're going to add one more thing. Set this up and go ahead and take a lemon peel. And we're going to rub the rim of the glass with the lemon peel. That'll kind of give it a little lemon flavor every time you bring it to your mouth. And we're going to twist it and leave a nice little lemon twist in there. Add a straw, and bottoms up.